focus of the lab is to understand the epigenetic mechanisms of myeloid malignancies. It focuses on acute myeloid leukemia. We are here to understand how different epigenetic mechanisms are enrolled in leukemogenesis. For this, we are mainly focusing on understanding big data produced both from our lab as well as in the scientific domain. And then we are exploring them to understand their dysregulation using bioinformatic tools. We take those back in the wet lab and then validate them. In this way, we have identified multiple epigenetic factors from chromatin remodelers group which are involved in leukemogenesis. We are currently looking into druggable targets for those and also different mechanisms by which this leukemogenesis can be reversed, targeting epigenetic factors.
I work on understanding the role of epigenetic factors in leukemia and myeloid differentiation, and using a combination of next-generation sequencing and other functional assays, we try to understand the epigenetic landscape in leukemia.
My work focuses on understanding the underlying epigenetic mechanisms that drive leukemic relapse. We also screen drugs that could help in preventing leukemic relapse in vitro, ex vivo, and mice models.
So the group is extensively working on different projects of national and state relevance. At the state level, we have worked on Institute's flagship project where we have looked at the wet microbiomes of research tribal population. And at the national level, we have worked with INSAPOP consortium where we have looked into COVID-19 patients, variant characterizations, and so on, and also the surveillance of emerging pathogens.
I work on COVID-19 microbiome, studying on oral, nasal, and gut microbiota and their effect on COVID-19 as well as long COVID.
We analyze both short-read and long-read sequences to trap SARS-CoV-2, antimicrobial resistance, and pathogen through comparative and evolutionary genomics. We study how these pathogens spread and evolve both in the hospital and community-based settings. Using this approach, we provide critical insights for early health interventions. Our research focused on exploring the microbial diversity, including bacteria, eukaryotes, and virus, to know their function in the marine ecosystem of Bay of Bengal. Our aim to support the sustainable marine ecosystem and contribute the growth of Indians' blue economies.
My research focuses on exploring the role of an epigenetic regulatory circuit in modulating immune responses.
So the group has developed expertise in diverse projects, and the current focus of the lab is to understand and explore the epigenetic mechanisms with the microbiome and of the cancers and try to link with disease progression and relapse.